In this practical example we will review the concepts and commands studied during this module by mounting an anchor point on a wall. An anchor point is a device fixed in buildings to allow access to firefighters and exit of people in case of emergency. Come on, let's go. We have started a new assembly file and we will locate the components of the assembly, made available in the files in this example. Using Browse, we first locate the wall, which will be the fixed component. We have confirmed your insertion and note the letter F displayed next to the component name in the Feature Manager. We insert the other components, keep track. When inserting the hook and anchor point components, a message is shown because these pieces were created in SolidWorks Educational version. Just confirm and insert normally. Once that's done, see that we need 4 screws, so let's copy it. We click on the shown face, press the Ctrl key and drag the mouse into the graphic area. We repeat the procedure by creating the necessary copies. Now let's position the components using mates. We set the anchor point coinciding with the wall. Then we define 2 mates away, completely restricting it. The next step is to fix the hook, centered at the anchor point. For this, we first define their faces coinciding with the anchor point. Next, we apply a parallel mat between the face of the anchor point and the upper plane of the hook. Next, we apply a mat between the vertical face of the anchor point and the face of the hook, with a distance of 184.5. We apply another mat distance between the horizontal face of the anchor point and the hook face and the value of 325, totally restricting it. Finally, we must position the screws. First we apply concentricity mates, observe. Next, we apply coincidental mates, keep track. Let's also look at some information about the assembly using the Assembly Visualization feature. Note that the wall is the most mass component, followed by the anchor point. All components are visible and we have 4 copies of the screw. To train and become more familiar with this feature, add other properties to view information. We conclude here this example, where we review the main operations studied during the module, fixing concepts that are very important for the day of projects.